Yeah, there are really a couple of issues here that are constitutionally related. One of them is the argument that if what Congress really said was you establish insurance markets that are state operated, or we will take away all your premium tax credits and destroy your insurance markets, that looks rather coercive. And the court had held in the last Affordable Care Act case that Congress cannot force the states to participate in federal programs. There's another issue, and there was a brief that was filed by 22 states plus the District of Columbia raising this issue, and this also came up, and that is that if Congress wants to impose some kind of draconian threat on the states, it has to give them very clear notice, and there's a long history of cases making that point. And here, the provision that the plaintiffs say would take away the tax credits is buried deep in a section for calculated premium tax credits. And it just seems that the states were completely unaware of it. I mean, I think we have lots of evidence that the states were completely unaware of this provision. And so what comes into play here then is what's called the doctrine of constitutional avoidance, which is that a court will interpret a statute to avoid finding a constitutional problem. I don't think anyone thinks that the court's going to find the statute unconstitutional, but they will try to, we hope, try to interpret the statute to get around these constitutional problems. Well, it's going to be up to Congress. If the Supreme Court decides that, I don't see anything that the administration can do. They may come up with something, but it's basically going to be up to Congress. And Congress could fix this tomorrow. Congress could pass a statute saying what we meant was that federally facilitated as well as state-operated exchanges can issue premium tax credits. They don't seem willing to do that. And right now there are 100 different plans, which are, three-page think pieces out there, and the Republicans are fighting with each other over what to do. So I think at this point, the court has to rule for the government or we're going to have chaos. The administration can't save us and Congress isn't willing to.